Whoa.
Huh? This poor soul looks in really bad shape.
Hey! You're in trouble, you fool! What the hell, man? That can cause brain damage, like irreparable, irreversible, you know? Hey,
Hey, stop that! You can hurt someone like that!
Huh?
Who's throwing stuff around? Never mind. Hey! Command, please!
Designer hating each other's guts, check. Star model making out.
Okay.
Hey, no, you can't goof around here, my friend. This is a restricted area. Let me see. You know what happened? Who did this?
Not in the picture!
Heads up. Situation.
No hair. And he wore a dark suit and a red tie. That's it.
Just about to take a break. Let's check it out later. Slow and What the funk? I don't want any trouble. Hello? Advance to be recognized.
Anybody sees anything, open fire immediately!
Yeah.
Restricted area. Come on. Move it along.
Let's go. Right there.
Terminated.
He's in the garden! The garden! Dispatch, please acknowledge. Put it another way, where the hell is...
Spread out.
This is a restricted area. Nice and...
God, you got...
Target is stood down. We're taking him in.
Whoop-de-doo. Holy shit!
Visual. Sir?
Sorry about that.
Right there!
Hey. I need your help. Fuck out of here! Oh, no!
Man, I wish I had.
Slow it!
That's a gunshot. Let's do this.
Someone get the alarm! Do exactly what I tell you to do.
What the hell?
Hey, don't...
Calling in. Hello? Got gunshots. Someone's messing around. What can I say?
Cover! We need to get him out of there!
Get out! He can kill with anything!
Hey, buddy. Something is going down.
Understood. We need to secure the area. I need you to get
Right
as
there,
far
right
away
there!
for your own purpose.
Light him up! I see him!
Anybody home? Idle. Shit! Command. How do you read? Over. We've got reports of gunshots.
In the garden.
What the?